Hello students, today we will complete practice set 5.3. Okay, and I'm expecting you all are completing your assignments. Okay, now let me start today's session. Okay, already we have completed till question number 4. Now we will solve question number 5 and question number 6. Students, let us see question number 5 first. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Okay, means you have to make a committee in which 2 persons will be there and from which 3 men and 2 women. So let us consider 3 men to be M1, M2, M3 and 2 women to be W1, W2, and accordingly we will make committee of 2 persons. So let us do that first. Okay. So let us consider, let 3 men, okay, so let 3 men be M1, M2, M3 and 2 women be W1, W2. Okay, so we have considered 3 men to be M1, M2, M3 and 2 women be W1, W2. Now we will make committee of 2. So I can write a committee of 2 persons. A committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Okay, so accordingly we will write simple space. Therefore, simple space S is equal to. Now see, you will select 2 persons at a time. So let me start with M1. So if you start from M1, then what are the possibilities with M1? M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, W1, M1, W2. So let us write that first. M1, M2, then M1, M3. We are writing all the possibilities with M1. Then we have M1, W1, M1, W2. Okay, so we have written all the possibilities with M1. Now we will start with M2. Already we have written M1, M2. So we will not repeat in backward. Now we will go forward. So M2, M3. Okay. Now M2, W1 and M2, W2. So we are done with M2. Now we will start with M3. Again we will not go backward, we will go forward. So M3, W1, M3, W2. M3, W1, M3, W2. So we have done with M3. Now with W1, so W1, W2. So these all are possibilities. So how many are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got number of sample points to be 10. Okay, again I am repeating how to write. First write all the possibilities with M1, that is M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, W1, M1, W2. Then for M2, M2, M3, M2, W1, M2, W2. Then start with M3, so M3, W1, M3, W2 and last W1, W2. So overall you are having total 10 possibilities. So this is what your number of sample points. Now we will move to the events. So let me start with event A. What is given in event A? There must be at least one woman member. Okay, so what is the event A? At least one woman member. At least one woman member. So you have to write those in which you can see at least one woman. Means you should have women in the group. Now see, in this we are not having minimum one woman. Here also we are not able to see any woman, but here we can see one woman, so write that. Students, at least means what? Minimum. So minimum one woman should be there, and it can be two, but it cannot be less than one. Okay, so M1 W1, M1 W2 will also be there. Then M2 M3 we cannot write. M2 W2 we can see one woman. M2 W2, then we have M3 W1, M3 W2, and now see this one W1 W2. So here also we can see at least one woman is there, because minimum one woman should be there, maximum it can be two, so we will write W1 W2. Okay, so students, remember, whenever there is a word at least means you cannot go below that, but you can go above that. So we can have more than one woman but not less than one. That is, zero women should not be there. You can have one woman or you can have two women. Now let us count it. How many are there in event A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our number of event A is how much? 7. Now we will do event B. Now what is event B? One man and one woman. One man, one woman committee is to be formed. Now this is very simple. You have to write those in which you can see one man and one woman. So search for that. One man and one woman. This is not applicable. This will also not applicable. This you can write. So M1 W1. Then you can have M1 W2. Then you can have M2 W1, M2 W2. Then you can have M3 W1, M3 W2. That's it. So total you are having here 6 possibilities. Okay, one man and one woman, so total there are 6, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will see event C. Event C is what? There should not be a woman member. There should not be a woman member. So you have to select those in which you can see no woman. So what are those? M1 M2, M1 M3 and M2 M3, where you can see only men. So write that. M1 M2, M1 M3 and M2 M3. So these are the groups where you can see no woman. Okay, so what is event C? M1 M2, M1 M3, M2 M3. So number of event C is how much? 3. Okay, now we will see question number 6. See question number 6. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Now one coin means what? You can have HT, and one die means what? You are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you are having 2 possibilities, here you are having 6 possibilities. So if you are taking simultaneously, that means you are going to have 2 into 6, that is 12 possibilities for sample space. Okay, so let us write that first. So students, we will write simple space for one coin and one die. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Therefore, sample space, we will write in the next page. Simple space S is equal to, now see, if I am supposing my coin shows me head, so we can have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. This is for head. Similarly, you can write for tail also. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So total possibility in this case you are having 12. Now we will do for events. Now what is event A? To get head and odd number. To get head and an odd number. Okay, so you have to get head as well as odd numbers simultaneously. Now see, odd numbers means what? Those numbers which are not divisible by 2. So you should have head as well as odd number. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and all. So you can have here H1, H3, H5, because these three are the H1, H3 and H5 are the one in which you can see head as well as odd number. So write that in event A. So you are having H1, H3, H5. So in this case your event A total possibility is 3. Count it 1, 2, 3. Now we will do event B. What is event B? To get a head or tail. To get a head or tail means you can have head or tail and even number and an even number. Now what does it mean? You can have head or tail means you can choose head or tail both, and at the same time you should have even number. So you can have H2, T2, H4, T4, H6, T6. Okay, so you can have head or tail but even number should be there. So write those: H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. So in this way we have total possibility of event B 6. Now we will do event C. Event C. Event C is what? So let me write event C first. Number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Now see, number on the upper face is greater than 7. Greater than 7 means what? You should have numbers like 8, 9, 10, like that. Now you know, in a dice you can have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So greater than 7 number is not possible, and tail on the coin. So since greater than 7 numbers are not possible in the coin, so in this case you are having nothing. So C is equal to curly bracket open and close. So in this bracket you cannot write anything because this possibility is not possible for event C. So in this way, what is number of C? See, nothing is written, so that means 0, because this event is not possible. You can call this type of events as impossible events because this is not possible. You cannot have numbers greater than 7 on the dice. Okay, so in this way students, I have completed this exercise 5.3. Now we will move forward and we will do next topic, that is probability. So for today I am giving you the formula to find out a probability. See the formula: probability of an event. Suppose you are having event A, then what is the formula for probability? See the formula: probability of A is equal to number of A upon number of S. Okay, this is the formula to find out the probability. See the formula: probability of A. See, this is capital P. So P of A, that is probability of A, is equal to number of A upon number of S. A means your event A, S means your sample space. Okay, and remember this value of probability cannot less than 0 and cannot more than 1. Always the value of this probability is in between 0 to 1, or even you can have 0 and 1, but it will not go more than 1 or it will not go less than 0. Always probability lies in this, from 0 to 1. You can have 0 1 or in between, but not beyond this limit. Okay, now we will do sums on this topic, that is probability, in the next class. Okay, and students, please complete your notes and assignments. I want assignments on time. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.